Pull the plastic insulating sheet out. Long press the power button to power on. Go to Settings. Search for Bluetooth name AP-10. Click to pair with it. Go to TikTok app. Joystick up. Joystick down, joystick left, joystick right. Double-click joystick button likes. Open TikTok camera and press capture button to remote capture or record. If it is not functioning, open camera setting. Turn on volume key capturing. If it is still not functioning after volume key capturing is set, press joystick button and capture button at the same time to switch key value. Then try the capture button to see if it works. Can try it multiple times until it works. If it is still not working after the above two methods, long press the joystick button and capture button till the indicator lights on constantly, suggesting entered adjusting mode. Release both buttons and use up, down, left and right to adjust the dot to appropriate position for photographing.